What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. There are 4 qualities that can't be bought, can't be taught. You either got it or you don't. And if you do possess these qualities, you have the foundation and you have what it takes to potentially become a world-class fighter. So in no particular order, number 1, punching power. Punches are born, not made. I'm a boxing coach. Trust me, I would love to be able to turn everyone into Mike Tyson, but it's just not realistic. Yes, through technique correction, you can improve your power. Yes, strength training and conditioning can improve your power. But you're not going to go from a 200 PSI to a 2,000 if you don't already have something special within you. I don't know if it's something physiologically, genetically, whatever the case may be, but punches are born, not made, period. Number 2, killer instinct. If you don't innately have the desire to go further than your opponent, and kill or die is not something that's already within you, you can't learn it. And there's nothing more frustrating than when I have a fighter that's super talented, but he gets dominated by someone who has no technique, but has more heart. And it happens all the time. So if you don't got that, that's just something that you can't learn, in my opinion. Number 3, a chin. Yes, you can, through conditioning training, you can get more durable, but there's guys out there you can hit them with a bat and they ain't going nowhere. And that's just something, to me, I think it's a genetic thing. Once again, you're either born with it or you're not. But those guys that you can't knock out, that's just how they are, man. They born like that. They might be cavemen or something. I really don't know. I can't explain it, but some people just, they don't go down. Number 4, discipline, but I'll take it to the extreme of saying obsession. When you see Floyd Mayweather running from the nightclub after not drinking, not smoking, to the gym to work out again, or just showing up every day without being told, is something that no top fighter needs to be told, yo, man, you got to get to the gym today. It's just something that they know already, because the only way they're going to separate themselves from their competition is to do what they're not doing, to go farther than they're going, and just take it to the next level. And that's the only way that you can really be sure that you're going to stand out. So that's my personal opinion. Those are the top 4 qualities. Yes, you can improve things. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you can't get better. But if you already have these things innately, they're only going to get better the more advanced you get. Anyway, that's my opinion. Hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Online courses out now. Link is in the description. Don't forget to check me on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time we out of here. Ow.